I've been called out to a job today in Marrickville. The customer is an iiNet customer, and they have been onto iiNet, and somebody had come out and had a look around here trying to see if they could get the internet working from iiNet. Basically said it was got nothing to do with them, it was an internal problem and they needed to get a private technician. So they've called us out today to come and take a look. So basically what I've found on here, this is the internal cabling, right? And you can see the red-black pair that's on my F-set there. That was terminating on these two here, right? So it was feeding back onto that, and then that, if you can see where I've chopped the little blue-white, that blue-white was connected to the leading cable. So what I've done now is I've worked out which one was coming in, because this is a naked line, and the internet is flowing on the blue-white pair of the leading cable. So the leading cable is connected directly now, bypassing the socket, and it's going directly to my test modem. So I tried the customer's router first, left it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and no sync light, nothing flashing, and same with my test router as well. So I used their one. So it's not a router issue, it's definitely a network issue somewhere out in the exchange. So iiNet, this will definitely be going back to you, and you will need to send out a Telstra tech to get this customer sorted out. Thank you.